Gawin nyo ito guys. 10 minutes every day. I can do it. You can do it. So let's go. Don't give up. Ganun lang guys. Focus tayo sa ating abs. Sa ating buong katawan. The whole body is working. So stay tuned. Let's go. What you waiting for?
Yes!
Let's start. Warm up our body for start our day.
Wow.
Let's go. Stay tuned.
Nice.
Keep going. Don't give up. Oh, it's not so heavy. Go, go, go. I can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Focus sa ating abs, guys. Count 10 each side. Stay focused. You can do it. Yes, I can do it. You can do it. Keep going. Don't give up. Hanggang makaya natin yung ating goal. So stay tuned. Hiningal na ako. Pero go pa rin. So kayo din guys. Go tayo. Para sa ating living health lifestyle. Pangpahabang buhay ito guys. So don't give up. Abs workout 10 minutes every day. Let's go. Join me guys para sabay-sabay tayo mag-challenge sa ating abs araw-araw. 10 minutes lang, kaya natin ito. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Hihiga na rin kayo dyan at samahan nyo ako until the end. This my 10 minutes challenge abs every day. So ganun lang position guys and stay tuned. Kahit masakit, go.